Established back in 1968, Milford has been the leader in automotive safety accessories for over 50 years. With our pioneering history in the occupant protection category and breakthrough events in the towing solutions market, including our award-winning next-generation Towbars, Milford have continually set the benchmark within the automotive industry. Every cargo barrier and towbar is made right here in Australia, with our extensive range designed, developed, tested and manufactured at our South Australian headquarters. Milford are industry leaders for cargo barrier products, with an enviable record for groundbreaking research, design and innovation dating back to the early 1980s, during the pioneering of the Australian Standard 4034.1, the most arduous cargo barrier testing regime in the world. This approach has produced a raft of patents and unique registrations designed to ensure that all Milford cargo barriers are the best and safest occupant protection products in the market. Milford are now leading and innovating the towing market with the introduction of the ultimate next generation towbar, an award-winning product that sets the new gold standard in towing. Milford's commitment to quality and performance is second to none, being accredited to the international quality standards of ISO 9001, ISO 14001, along with the highest automotive standard of IATF 16949. We are also certified by the Peak Testing Authority in Australia, the National Association of Testing Authorities. All Milford products undergo vigorous testing in our DynaLoad Proving Centre. Milford Cargo Barriers are tested to the most severe international requirements. This ensures that all cargo barriers are rated for your protection to the highest standards and will protect the occupants of a vehicle from the impact of items in the cargo area. Milford Towbars are tested and rated to the highest international standards, far exceeding the Australian Standard 4177. Milford Towbars are subject to a static test, with the towbar being pulled and deflected 3 separate ways, and a dynamic test, with the towbar being pulled and pushed one way horizontally over thousands of cycles. Additionally, Milford Towbars are subjected to our innovative, world-leading DynaLoad Extreme Performance tests, which has the ability to finely monitor and control variable loads and amplitudes over a predetermined duty cycle, modelled precisely upon an extreme range of selected towing profiles by OE manufacturers. Milford's unique DynaLoad test apparatus provides 3-axis combinational dynamic load testing, which projects real towing conditions upon both the towbar and the tow vehicle simultaneously. This incorporates all aspects of real-world use, that is, normal use, sports use, off-road use, and misuse at levels well beyond traditional capability. Our design and development capabilities enable our team to produce the most exact and efficient solutions for our products. Using captured data from OE CAD and 3D scans, our engineers can design products around a 3D model to conceptualize the most appropriate design. Using finite element analysis, the highly iterative process enables our engineers to conceptualize and refine ideas, ultimately resulting in the most optimized design outcomes. Milford's Industry 4.0 manufacturing facility utilizes all the latest equipment, including ERP, CNC lasers, CNC benders, robotic welding, inline powder coating and pre-treatment, along with the bespoke CNC packaging equipment on site. This vertical capability ensures that all products meet our exacting quality standards and industry-leading delivery lead times on all parts. Milford's considerable and ever-popular product range is continually evolving to suit our customer needs. In the occupant protection category, there's our range of industry-leading cargo barriers, along with our sealed partitions for fume and vapour containment, air conditioning curtains for climate control, gear safe for in-cabin load storage organisation, and our versatile protector net for more general load management. Within the towing solutions category, our industry-pioneering ultimate next-generation towbar, complete with its patented revolutionary interlocking design, delivers fail-safe strength and durability, whilst the patented hitch hush receiver end cap provides the most satisfying noise-free operation. Ultimate next generation towbars complement Milford's extensive range of traditional hitch receiver style towbars to suit most modern vehicles. Our range of purpose design and tested trailer wiring harness kits, tech steps, weight distribution systems and towing accessories are all made to Milford's exacting specifications and quality control requirements for trouble-free towing. Milford's roof rack range includes the Ergo rack, the hydraulically operated and safest ladder loading system in the world, along with the Eco Rack, the most versatile and cost-effective commercial roof rack system. And for that complementary requirement in the utility vehicle market, Load Max, Milford's patented universal roof rack support system designed to reduce the risk or damage associated with carrying loads on utility canopies. Milford's e-commerce website, Milford.1, contains an easy-to-understand user interface powered by a powerful part management system. Search for products through the innovative Search by Vehicle function, with options for various vehicle makes, models, and years. Or search for products using the search bar to find exactly what you need. Numerous product categories are available to browse through, with information on each product and links to products contained within. The Milford.1 website utilises an international vehicle coding service to update and maintain the catalogue and the vehicles suited for each product. The Milford.1 website also offers live inventory reporting, with products displaying their current status on product pages. Easy options to add products to cart, view cart, and make purchases create a simple buying process for all users. All Milford products come with our industry-leading lifetime warranty, which can be registered on the website quickly and easily. Dedicated video content, including product showcases, how-tos for each product category, and fitting instructions can be accessed on the website. Multifunctional social media integration offers users the ability to follow and discover new content from Milford through various platforms. Blogs, video content, and information is shared through these platforms to inform and educate users. Users can also sign up to receive the latest news and deals from the Milford.1 website to keep informed and up to date on all Milford news. Various account management options are available to those who create an account, with such benefits as order management, quote management, and wish lists. Milford.1 is also designed for mobile and tablet use. Milford continues to lead the automotive safety accessories market with numerous innovations and quality products.